Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Miftahul Hindawati dari kelas 11 TP3 SMK Negeri 1 Kendal. Di sini saya akan mempraktikkan bagaimana cara membuat calon udang.
Fixing up a car, driving it again, searching for the water, hoping for the rain. Up and up, up and up. Down upon the canvas, working in a meal, waiting for a chance to pick an Irish field. Up and up, up and up. See a bird form a diamond in a rough, see a bird soaring high, but the flood is in your blood. It's in your blood. Underneath the storm, under the sand, sitting with the boys, it takes away the pain. Up and up, up and up. Saying we're gonna get it together right now. We're gonna get it together somehow. We're gonna get it together and fly. Whoa, we're gonna get it together. I know we're gonna get it together and flow. We're gonna get it together and go up and up and up. Lying in the gutter, aiming for the moon, trying to empty out the ocean with a spoon. Up and up, up and up. How come people